Hey! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. You need to start by accessing device's settings. After that, scroll down and click on Security section. Then you need to scroll down again, choose App Lock, and create your pattern that you wish to use to unlock your apps. Following that, you need to draw it again and answer this security question. If you don't like it though, you can always click on it and pick one of those. Remember to answer correctly below and choose Done at the top right corner. As you can see now, I can lock my apps by clicking on this little padlock next to the chosen one. So for example, if I wish to use app lock on my Chrome, I need to click over here, choose Home button, and now when I try to access Chrome app, pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!